How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hello everyone. If you're trying to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat, first of all, open it up. And once you open up your Snapchat, just make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are logged in, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the top left. And once you get to your profile, if you swipe down here, you have an option to change your fashion, your selfie, and other stuff as well. But what you don't have an option here is to change your Bitmoji or delete it. So if you want to go ahead and delete your Bitmoji, tap on the settings icon at the top right. And once you land on the settings page, just scroll down here and you should be able to find this option, use my Bitmoji avatar. You could just make it private, so you could just set this to only me and your friends won't be able to see your Bitmoji avatar. But if you want to completely delete it, just scroll down until you find your Bitmoji option and just tap on it right here. And from here, you can change your outfit, edit your Bitmoji, or choose a selfie. And right at the bottom, you have Unlink My Bitmoji. Now, if you want to completely remove it, just tap on remove. If you created your avatar on Snapchat, you'll permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items that were saved in your wardrobe. So just tap on remove and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.